As you remember, the trees are created using the instance foliage actor. Instance foliage actor cannot be moved to a different level than the one on which the tree were placed. With the help of levels, you can only hide trees made with the instance foliage actor together with the relief, but this option doesn't suit me. Therefore, to hide it separately, you need to use a separate function. But before that, I need to create some trees that will be visible from the windows of the house. When the instance foliage actor trees are hidden, several trees will appear near the windows. This is necessary that from inside of the house there is no feeling of the desert outside the window. Create a new folder. Turn off visibility of the instance foliage actor. Create a new level for the new trees. From the Simple Wind folder, place the trees in the scene only where they can be seen from the windows of the house. Open the interior collision actor blueprint. Add a getActorOfClass function to onComponent begin overlap. Actor class, instance foliage actor. Return value to set actor hidden in game. Activate new hidden. Copy the chain to onComponent and overlap and deactivate new hidden. Now add loading and unloading the level with new trees when user entering and leaving the house. Use load and unload stream level by object reference function. Start game. The script works. Look to FPS, now there is no drawdown below 30 inside the house. FPS is stable around the average value of 60.